A lot of vitamin C serum in the market are not giving you what you want because they are already oxidized. You buy 1 bottle, 2 bottle, 3 bottle, expecting to clear the hyperpigmentations and dark spot, and it will not deliver. The reason because it has already oxidized. The vitamin C content in there is no more active, and you don't know, and they will not tell you because they want to collect your money. So today we are making vitamin C serum just like the popular brands. If you have this ingredient at home, I will show you how to make your own vitamin C serum that is very potent and active. There you don't have to waste your money on any fake vitamin C serum out there. So that's our distilled water right there, measured. Okay, wait. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. We formulate skincare products in this channel. We do skincare product review. We do DIYs. A lot of things, like everything skincare. So please subscribe to this channel and let's continue. So that is our vitamin C powder right there. That is ascorbic acid. We have a lot of vitamin C powders. L-ascorbic acid, what is it again? A lot of vitamin C powders. So this ascorbic acid is very active or potent vitamin C powder that can deliver. Okay, the only problem with this active vitamin C powder is that it oxidizes easily. Like it oxidizes, in maximum of 1 to 2 weeks, and it will stop working. So a lot of popular brands out there use this powder and then store it in amber bottle, that bottle that you saw at the beginning of the video. And the bottle helped to store the powder, helped to maximize the shelf life of the powder you get, right? But then it's expected to be used like 1 to 2 weeks, and then that's all. Like, even if you preserve it for it to be active, okay, all the ingredients used in this video will be on the screen, so just relax. So that is our vitamin C powder dissolved in our distilled water. As always, if you have hydrosol, you can use it. I'm trying to make this video as simple, the ingredients as simple as possible for you to make it at home. Okay, so we put our glycerin, and that is our propylene glycol. Propylene glycol help the formula to penetrate more deeper in our skin. And that is our Germa Plus, that is the preservative to preserve this formula. So this is very, very simple yet effective formula that you can do this at home, and trust me, this vitamin C serum, you start seeing results in like 5 days. You'll notice changes or in your face. Those dark spots that you're trying to fade will fade. So our next ingredient will be our hyaluronic acid. This is the gelling formula or ingredient, and it will help with the plumpiness of the face. It's very good ingredient. Like, you have to put it. I can't imagine any serum with hyaluronic acid in it. So if you have the powder, feel free to use the powder, just don't exceed 1%. So I'm using the gel. We will train on how to formulate skincare product from scratch, ranging from soaps, shower gels, lotions, face creams, serums, a lot more. Like anything you can think of that is a skincare product. Okay, so I have a video where I show you how I formulate niacinamide serums. These are all basic serums that you can make at home. They are advanced formula. If you need them, join our training to access all the goodies on skincare production. Okay, so that is our vitamin C serum right there. Is very, very effective, and the formula is ready. Now like for us to check the pH. Every skincare production you make is important for you to check the pH of that production for it to be compatible with people's skin, like with your skin. You can't just make skincare formula and just start selling without knowing the pH of that product. Like, who does? A lot of people do that. That's why they end up damaging a lot of people's skin. Like, yo, please. So this serum is expected to have pH around 3.5 to 4. That is the best pH for this ascorbic acid. For it to work, the pH have to be that around 3.5 to 4. So the pH was little bit down, so I am just raising the pH, for it to meet up with the requirement. So that's it right there. Vitamin C serum that you see is very good serum that can help you get smooth face and free from all dark spots and impurities. Like, it's a very, very good serum. You can use this day and night. Like, I don't follow any kind of rule: vitamin C serum at night or vitamin C serum in the day. I think no, if you have a good sunscreen, there's no difference. So right here we've gotten the pH that we are looking for. We are just going to package this and use. Like, it's very, very simple and easy. There are advanced formulas, like I said. If you want to know how you can use a lot of vitamin C powders, how you can use them, how you can formulate serums with them that will not oxidize, and the right pH as well, join our training. So I have tons of videos as well in this channel where you can start learning how to formulate skincare product before you join our training. So do well to check it out, So can you see that? Can you see how amazing this serum is? Right. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Please follow me on TikTok and Instagram at ikeeskincare.ng. Bye.